Hi, my name is Gina Cox, and today I'm going to Cox Arboretum, which is located in Dayton, Ohio. I'm going to be looking at 3 flowers and identifying their parts. The 3 I'm going to look at are the magnolia, the peony, and the columbine. I'm going to first start by showing you the facility because it has a lot of cool things to offer. This is a 174-acre facility that has specialty gardens, mature forests, prairies, shrubs, and hiking trails. The park also hosts programs that teach children and adults about sustainable conservation methods and plant science. The first flower I'm going to take a closer look at is this bright red showy one. The common name is Peonia, and its scientific name is Paeonia lactiflora. For this flower, I want to point out the specific parts because this is a great example of a perfect flower, meaning it has both male and female parts. This flower also has radial symmetry and is a regular flower. As we take a closer look at the large outer red petals, they serve a purpose of attracting pollinators. The petals collectively are called the corolla. Right here you can see the sepals that are tough green floral segments that merge at the base of an open flower. The sepals collectively are called the calyx. As we take a closer look, this is the stamen, which is the male reproductive organ of the flower, and it is made up of an anther, which contains the pollen at the top, and a filament, which is the thin stalk that supports the anther. The final part of the flower we're going to look at is the innermost part of the flower, which is the carpels, and is the female reproductive organ. The carpels consist of the ovary, the style, which is the stalk of the carpel, and a stigma, which is the top part of the carpel where pollen germinates. The second flower I stopped to look at was wild columbine, which scientific name is Aquilegia canadensis. This wildflower has showy, droopy, bell-like flowers. It has backward-pointing tubes, also called spurs, which contain nectar that attract long-tongued insects and hummingbirds. Taking a closer look at the flower, we can see the carpels and stamens as well. The last flower I want to look at is on this tree right here. The common name is sweetbay and the scientific name is Magnolia virginiana. The flower has showy white petals about 2 to 3 inches wide. This is an example of radial symmetry and a regular flower. The center is many separate carpels, which after pollination will fuse together to form an aggregate of achenes. I'm back in the Jeep now. I hope you learned something and found this place interesting. Thanks for watching.